हाय, वेलकम टू माय चैनल एडवोकेट क्लब। तो हम अपनी नेक्स्ट एमसीक्यू जो आज की होने वाली है फ्रेंड्स, वो 75 एमसीक्यू होने वाले हैं। हम स्टार्ट करते हैं लॉ के एमसीक्यू ऑन द पॉइंट ऑफ सेट नेट एंड ऑल कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन। तो हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, who among the following express the view that the Indian Constitution is federal as much as it establish what may be called a dual polity? So इसका आंसर है फ्रेंड ए B.R. Ambedkar sir. Next question, in which of the following amendment the word nothing in Article 13 shall apply to any amendment made under Article 368 were inserted? It is inserted by the amended 24th amendment, friends. Next question, the Supreme Court of India held in which of the following case that the view expressed by it in exercise of its advisory jurisdiction are binding on all courts within the territory of India? So इसका correct answer है friends D, in re special court bill. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा फ्रेंड्स, इसका आंसर है डी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग केस द सुप्रीम कोर्ट अपहेल्ड द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन वैलिडिटी ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन 93rd अमेंडमेंट इंट्रोड्यूसिंग आर्टिकल 15(5)? इसका करेक्ट आंसर है फ्रेंड सी, एम नागराजन वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया. Correct the match pairs, independence of them judiciary, executive legislation, quasi judicial function and collective responsibility. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है फ्रेंड फर्स्ट का इंडिपेंडेंस ऑफ देम जुडिशियरी, थर्ड अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ जजेस लाइक ओके फर्स्ट का है फ्रेंड थर्ड अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ जजेज, सेकंड का है एग्जीक्यूटिव लेजिस्लेशन, फोर ऑर्डिनेंस एंड थर्ड है क्वाजी जुडिशियल फंक्शन, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव एडजुडिकेशन, कलेक्टिव रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, पार्लियामेंट्री फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट. सो इसका करेक्ट आंसर बनता है फ्रेंड बी. नेक्स्ट वन, रीड असर्शन एंड correct answer A, council of minister is the hub of the parliamentary form of government. R, the government is formed from the majority party. So इसका correct answer होने वाला है friend A, both are explanation are correct. Both explanations are correct. A. Next question, the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court of the India may be enlarged by the President of India in consultation with PM and CM. Next, Parliament by resolution, Parliament by law, and the correct answer is Parliament by law. What are the exceptions to the rule of natural justice? Answer using codes given below. Exclusion by statutory provisions, next exclusion by constitutional provisions, next exclusion in case of legislative act, fourth one is exclusion in public interest. Which one is correct? 1 2 1 2 3, all option is friend and answer is D, all of the above is correct. Again reasons. First reason is in India, the order passed in violation of the principle of natural justice is void. R, in India, there is void in the area of principle of justice by nature. And correct answer is friend C, both are incorrect or false. Next question. In which of the following condition the abuse or discretionary power is inferred? First, use for improper purpose, mala fide, relevant consideration, leaving out irrelevant consideration. So correct answer is friend B. Only 1 and 2 is correct. 1 and 2, 1 and 2 are correct. Mala fide intention, used for improper purpose, and correct answer is B. Next question friend. Reasons. First reason A. Equality is antithetic to arbitrariness. Next, Article 40 of the Indian Constitution prevents arbitrary discretion being vested in the executive. Which one is correct? A is correct. Both explanations are right. Next question. The writ of habeas corpus will be issued if detention is illegal, detention is prima facie legal, detention is prima facie illegal, detention is primarily illegal. So correct answer is detention is prima facie illegal friends. C. Next reasons. First reason A. Lokpal is demand of time. R reason Lokpal is a time saving institution, and the correct answer is B. A is true but B is not true. Explanation to A. Next question friends. Question number 14. Administrative law is the law concerning the power and procedure of administrative agencies, including especially the law governing judicial review of administrative action. This definition of administrative law is given by K.C. Davis. K.C. Davis. Next question. In which of the following ground a writ of certiorari may be issued? Constitutional question friends. And the writ of certiorari issue in error of jurisdiction, error apparent on face of record, violation of natural justice, all of the above. So all is correct. All of the above is our answer. Who propounded the doctrine of moral reasoning? 4 options given below. Kohler, Pound, Hart, Kant. So first answer is correct. It is a jurisprudence subject question answer. Next question. Which of the following avoid any dogmatic formulation and concentrate on the decision given by law of court? Again jurisprudence question friend. Answer is realistic school friend. First one. Jus civil, jus gentium and jus natural are found in, where it is found friend? It is found in Roman law. Answer is C. Match the pairs. So ancient theory, modern theory, Renaissance theory, medieval theory. Which theory connected to opposite pair? The correct answer is friend A is ancient theory, connected with 4 Plato. And next one is second connected with third pair Stamler. C is connected with first Grotius, and last is medieval theory with connection with Thomas. This is correct match pairs friends. So our answer is D. 4, 3, 2, 1. Next question. Law is without doubt a remedy for greater evil, yet it brings with it evils of its own. Who is the author or who is the philosopher who said this word? This is a Solomon friend. So answer is C. According to Solomon, every right involves a threefold relation. First relation is it is a right against some person or persons. Second is it is a right to some act or omission of such person or persons. Third is it is a right cover or to something to which that act or omission relates. Quotes 1 and 2, 2 and 3. Which one is the correct answer, friend? Correct answer is 1, 2 and 3 are true. It means both are true. Hence, here not given the all of the above. Hence, we are selected option number 2, 1, 2 and 3 are true. Next one is assertion 1. Shrutis and Smritis from the greatest treasure house of Hinduism. Our reason, Shrutis and Smritis are considered immemorial, timeless and eternal. Examine the above statement. R select and given the correct option. A, R both are correct explanation. So correct answer is, friend, as we see, Shruti and Smriti from the greatest treasure house of Hinduism is true, but R is not explanation of A. Hence our answer is B. 23rd question. Personality is a very vague and wide term and it has a variety of meanings. It is derived from the word persona, which is this word is derived from Greek word, friends. So answer is D. Next, fill in the blank. Extortion is dash when it is committed under fear of instant hurt. Question of IPC. So answer is robbery. Hence C. Fill in the blank with suitable. Z dies in possession of gold ring, gold chain and gold wrist watch during the course of an accident. A. Before anyone entitled to such possession dishonestly misappropriates the same causing. ये फ्रेंड्स IPC में इलिस्ट्रेशन दिया हुआ है. अगर हम बारीकाई से पढ़ा होगा तो वो एक इलिस्ट्रेशन है, IPC में मेंशन करे हुआ है ये. सो इसका अगर आप पढ़े हो तो आपको सेक्शन याद होना चाहिए ऐसे कंटिन्यूस में. और इसका सेक्शन था 404, एग्रीवेटेड फ्रॉम मिसअप्रोप्रिएशन एज पर सेक्शन 404. So answer is A. 26th question, fill in the blank. The malicious injury to property as per maxim sic utreto ad elenum non leads to use your own property so as not to injure your neighbor's property as provided in the B options, friend. Mischief as per section 425. Next one is assertion again. The distinctive feature between preparation and attempt must be based on and reason. Preparation consists in devising means necessary for the commission of offense, while attempt is the direct movement toward commission. So correct answer of 27 is B, friend, because first is assertion is true and reason is not explained properly to assertion 1. Hence our answer is B. Question number 28. The accused cause bodily pain, disease or infirmity, but it is cognizable, bailable or compoundable. What offense, if any, has been committed by the accused? Come on, friends, giving me answer on the comment box. The answer is C. Voluntary causing grievous hurt by dangerous weapon as per section 324. Sorry, friends. So answer is 3. Next question. An individual's act of abridgment of another right to movement could be an offense of First option is wrongful confinement as per section 340, an act of abridgment of right to movement was done in good faith and hence no offence, the movement route being derived so assault resulted. Next option is D, wrongful restraint as per section 329, and D is correct answer, wrongful restraint as per section 329. Next question, match the statement that mens rea is a loose term of elastic significance with that of the meaning is sequential order. So order करेक्टली मेंशन करना है फ्रेंड हम लोगों को. Foresight of the consequence of the act, criminal intention to deepest die, an act which is visible, it depend upon knowledge and belief. Probably मैच करना है फ्रेंड हम लोगों को. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा फर्स्ट बी, देन लाइक फर्स्ट आएगा बी, एप्लीकेबिलिटी ऑफ द प्रिंसिपल बिकम इसेंशियल बाय द सीक्वेंस ऑफ बी, देन ए, डी and C, like criminal intention of deepest die. Next one is foresight of the consequence of the act. Third, it depends upon knowledge and belief. Fourth, an act which is visible. So our answer is D. Next, read assertion again. Generally, a master is not criminally liable merely because his servant has committed a negligent act. Correct? Correct assertion. In ordinary course, reason इसका friend, in ordinary course of employment, a master may be criminally liable against the negligence act of the servant, not a. So इसका genuine reason दिया है friend, इसका आंसर है B. First is a true and second is the genuine reason of one. आंसर होता है इसका B. On which date and place the Earth Summit was held? 6 June, Geneva Convention, 20 June 1997, London. Next, 21st June 1992 at Rio, and fourth one, 27 June 1992 at Rio. Correct answer is friend 21 June 1992 in Rio. Next one is, in case of violation of Article 21 by disturbing the environment, the court could award damage not only for the restoration of ecological balance but also for the victim who have suffered due to that disturbance, in which case the Supreme Court held that this statement. So 4 option is given below. MC Mehta versus Union of India, Kamal Nath and Kamal Nath, which is decided by another session. So our correct answer is B. Sorry, our correct answer is D. MC Mehta versus Kamal Nath. Yes, Kamal Nath, 2000, recent case law. Next question is, in which of the following case the constitutionality, legal validity, propriety and fairness on the settlement of the claim of the victims in a mass tort action relating to Bhopal gas leak disaster has been challenged in Supreme Court of India? In the case of, in which case friends? The case of Union Carbide Corp versus Union of India in the year 1992. So our answer is C. Next question, under which article of the Constitution Environment Protection Act 1986 was enacted? Simple question friend, article base, article 253. Answer is A. The problem of the pollution of river Ganga by the inaction of the municipalities was brought to light in which of the following case? Our option is, and again MC Mehta versus Union of India in the year 1988 is correct answer. Next, Which one of the following cases related to Sarika Tiger Park? The case is friend Tarun Bharat Sangh versus Union of India. Answer is A. Next question. Which of the following case related to transfer of tribal land by government to non-tribal people? The case is Samtha versus State of Andhra Pradesh. So our correct answer is B. Match the pair. Suspension of member, veto power, appointment of Secretary General, objective of trustship system. So our correct answer is suspension of member, Article 5, veto power, Article 27, suspension of power, Article 5, appointment of secretary, 97, and objective to Article 76. So our correct answer is C. Next question. Which of the following jurists regard to controversy whether international law is a law or dispute about a word and not thing is said by Lawson? Our answer is A. Next question. What should be the order of the use of material source of international law? Correct answer is which is correct order? So here is given below. All is correct order. 1, 2, 3, 4. Treaties and convention, custom, general principle of law recognized by civilized state. Next one is judicial decision and jurist opinion as subsidiary means for the determination of law. Our correct answer is D. Which of the following article of the Statute of International Court of Justice make it clear that the decision of the court will have no binding force except between the parties and in respect of that particular case only? So correct answer is Article 60. A. Next, which of the following perfectly economic and social council? 1, 2, 3, 4. We are reading options because it's optional question. First option is it may make or initiate study with respect of international economic, social, culture, educational, health and related matter. Correct. It may make recommendation for the purpose of promoting respect for the observance of human right. It may make recommendation to promote friendly relation and understanding amongst the member state. Correct. It may prepare draft conventions for submission to General Assembly on any of the subject following within its competence. Both are correct. So our answer is A. Match the pair. First one is the Convention of Civil and Political Right. And our answer is 16 December 1966. Declaration of Human Right. Come on friends, give me the answer in comment box. Declaration of Human Right in the year 1948, right? Convention on the Right of Child, it's 1990. American Convention on Human Right, last option, 1969. So our answer is 3, C. Next question. Assertion international law is not a law. Next, reason it lacks determinate superior political authority to enforce its rules using the codes given below and give the correct answer. So our correct answer is both A and R are true, but R is not correct explanation to A. Hence, B is our correct answer. Next, the junior widow has adopted a child without the consent of senior widow. Decide the adoption. This adoption is voidable. Next question. In which state where a widow may adopt a child without an express authority for her husband before the H.A.and.M. Act 1956? The correct answer is Madras and Bombay. So C. Next question. In ancient Hindu marriage, which one is not approved from a marriage? Option is Brahma, Davya, Prajapatya, Ashura. So correct answer is Ashura, hence D. Next 49, again assertion question. Assertion is the Muslim Women Protection of Divorce Right Act 1986 brought changes like limit the period of maintenance to Muslim divorce till iddat period, and in the case no relatives and liabilities on Waqf board. Reason, the changes were brought under Muslim pressure. Both A and R are correct, and R is the correct explanation to A, hence A is our correct answer. Next, again assertion question friend. The dissolution of Muslim Marriage Act 1939 brought different ground for dissolution of marriage and base of Maliki school. The reason given is the DMM Act 1939 is brought on the opinion of ulemas, ijmas. Then the correct answer is A and R is correct, and R is the correct explanation to A. Hence answer is A. Next, a Muslim husband has filed to have sexual intercourse continuously for 4 months with wife. It could be a form of divorce, and it call is ila. Ila is also a form of divorce. A. Match the pairs. Judicial separation. Come on friends, section base. Again question, give me fatafat answer. Judicial separation, section 10. Divorce, section 13. Voidable marriage, section 12. Restitution of conjugal right, section 9. Again match the pairs. Impotency of husband, correct answer is 3rd. Nullity of marriage. Next, marriage within Sapinda relationship, void marriage. Pre-marriage pregnancy, voidable marriage. Option of puberty, ground of divorce. Next question friend. So our answer is B and right. Next question, question number 54. Come on friends, only 75 questions. So we are completing our 53 question. Question number 54. The human right has been classified into 3 category wise. First, A, human right of first generation, human right of second generation, human right of third generation. Said by whom? Louis B. Sohan. Said by Louis B. Sohan. So answer is A is correct. Next question. Everyone has the right to recognition everywhere as a person before the law. This has been stated in which of the following article of Universal Declaration Human Right? It is declared, again section based question friend, declaring section 6. Next question. The United Nations High Commission for Refugees was established in which of the following year by the General Assembly? It is established in the year of 1951. Hence answer is 51. Next question. The most glaring instance of violation of human right is the continuing poverty among masses in the country, said by Justice A.S. Anand. His answer is A. Match the correct pairs. Magna Carta, again Constitution. Remember मैग्ना कार्टा हम लोग किसको बोलते हैं? किसको याद आया कमेंट कीजिए फटाफट. किसको बोलते हैं मैग्ना कार्टा हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में? उसमें टाइम ना वेस्ट करते हुए मैं इसके आंसर देती हूँ. आप वो कमेंट बॉक्स में मुझे आंसर कीजिए मैग्ना कार्टा किसको बोलते हैं हम लोग. सो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है फ्रेंड्स फर्स्ट Magna Carta in the year 1215. Next, the Petition of Right 1628. 1628. Yeah. The English Bill of Rights is 1689. The Union Bill of Rights 1789. Hence our correct answer is A. Next, Guru Pada Swami Committee 1979 was constituted to look into the working condition of whom? Minority women, children, NGOs. So it is for children. C. नेक्स्ट, सीक्वेंस में अरेंज करना है फ्रेंड हमको दिए हुए ऑप्शंस को. तो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है द कन्वेंशन ऑन द पॉलिटिकल राइट ऑफ वुमन. नेक्स्ट, डिक्लेरेशन ऑन द एलिमिनेशन ऑफ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन अगेंस्ट वुमन. नेक्स्ट, कन्वेंशन ऑन कंसेंट टू मैरिज, मिनिमम एज ऑफ मैरिज एंड रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ मैरिज. नेक्स्ट, कन्वेंशन ऑन द नेशनैलिटी ऑफ मैरिड वुमन. So correct answer is friend our A. 1432 is sequence. Next, 61 question. Which one of the following statement is not correct? Friends, not correct बोला है, correct नहीं बोला है. Remember. Now give me the answer. Which is not correct? The tort. In tort, the damages are fixed according to the terms and condition. No, it wasn't confirmed according to the condition or term. So answer is D. Again assertion friend, a wooden chair while being used by a guest cause injury to him due to defective manufacture. The guest is entitled to claim damage from the maker. Reason, manufacturer owes a duty of care to the ultimate user. Both are correct and R is correct explanation to A. So answer is A. Next, in which of the following situation is slander actionable per se in India? A option is an imputation that a certain female player is of unchaste character, and that is the correct answer friend. So need not to read another option. A is the correct answer. Then match the pairs. A patient is a consumer. Just a minute friend. A patient is a consumer. Next, doctor duty to maintain secrecy. C, free service. D, contract of personal service. So correct answer is a patient is a consumer in the case of Vasnath P. Nayyar versus Srimati V.P. Nayyar. Next, doctor duty to maintain secrecy. It says in Dr. Tukoga versus Apollo Hospital Enterprises. Free services said Indian Medical Association. And last one is contract of personal service is said in the case law Rangaswamy versus Jaya Vittal and others. So our option is C. Next question, state in which of the following case it amounts to nuisance. Planting to tree on another land is amount to nuisance. When breaches of tree project on the land of their neighbors. Construction of pond on the land of another. All are is nuisance friend. So our answer is D, all of the above. Next, 66. In which of the following case the rule of absolute liability laid down by the Supreme Court of India? Both Indian Council for Environment Legal Action versus Union of India and Klaus Mittelbruch versus East India Hotels Limited 1997. Both A and B of above is a correct answer. So answer is C. Next, 67. Match the pairs. Wagon Mound case is related to the test of reasonable foresight. correct. Next one is Polemis and Furnace Whitey and Company Limited is the test of directness. Third, Scott versus Sferd. The answer is remote but proximate. The case related to that matter. Last one is Pardon versus Harcourt Redundant. The answer is reasonable forcibility. The case related to reasonable forcibility. So our answer is B. Next, करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट हमको सर्च करना है 68 क्वेश्चन में फ्रेंड्स. तो फर्स्ट वन इज है एवरी पार्टनरशिप इज बेस्ड ऑन म्यूचुअल एजेंसी. करेक्ट. एवरी एजेंसी बेस्ड ऑन म्यूचुअल पार्टनरशिप. नो. एवरी एजेंट इज अ पार्टनर. नो. नेक्स्ट, एवरी पार्टनर इज अ स्लीपिंग पार्टनर. नॉट नेसेसरी. सब करेक्ट हो और उसमें जो सबसे ज़्यादा अप्रोप्रिएट आंसर लगता हो फ्रेंड उसको हमको करेक्ट करना चाहिए. तो हमको सबसे ज़्यादा कौन सा सही लगता है? हरी पार्टनरशिप बेस्ड ऑन म्यूचुअल एजेंसी पे होती है हरी पार्टनरशिप, इसलिए हमारा आंसर आएगा एक. विच स्टेटमेंट आर करेक्ट? डायरेक्टर आर ट्रस्टी ऑफ द कंपनी, डायरेक्टर आर मेंटर ऑफ द कंपनी, डायरेक्टर आर एजेंट ऑफ द कंपनी, डायरेक्टर आर एजेंट्स ऑफ शेयर होल्डर. सो विच इज़ करेक्ट फ्रेंड? 1 and 3 are correct. 1 and 3 are correct. Director are trustee of company and director are agent of the company. As our option is answer is B. Right, B. Next 70. Remain only 5 questions friends. जल्दी जल्दी हम ये 5 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं. एंड अगर आपको स्लोली देखना हो तो आप रिवीजन करने के लिए पॉज कर करके इस वीडियो को देख सकते हो. शॉर्ट बनाने के लिए मैंने इसको फास्ट लिए है क्योंकि हम कम टाइम में ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन रीड कर पाए. अगेन हमको असर्शन आया है फ्रेंड. द डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ इंडोर मैनेजमेंट सीक्स टू प्रोटेक्ट द कंपनी अगेंस्ट द आउटसाइडर. रीजन द कंपनी हैज़ राइट टू प्राइवेसी. सो बोथ आर फॉल्स फ्रेंड. हेंस आवर आंसर इज सी. मैच द पियर्स. essential of partnership, partnership at will, इफेक्ट ऑफ नॉन रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ फर्म, कंपल्सरी रिजोल्यूशन ऑफ फर्म. पूरा की पूरा पार्टनरशिप के सेक्शन पे उठा के क्वेश्चन है फ्रेंड्स. 2 भी सेक्शन आपको इसके याद हो गए ना तो आपका आंसर मिल गया समझ लो. जल्दी से कमेंट कीजिए सर फ्रेंड्स, बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है ये. जल्दी जल्दी कमेंट कीजिए और बताइए मुझे कौन सा सही है. सो ए इसेंशियल ऑफ पार्टनरशिप, सेक्शन 4. पार्टनरशिप एट विल, सेक्शन 7. तो हमको आंसर अभी मिल गया फ्रेंड्स. देखिए ए का क्या लिया हमने, सेक्शन 2. पार्टनरशिप एट विल 3rd. तो रिमेन क्या बचा? 4 and 1. सो आवर आंसर इज बी. 4 and 1. 2 सेक्शन ना भी याद हो आपको तो बन गया हमारा पेयर. सो आवर आंसर इज बी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Find correct answer using code. This code is first, bulk shall correspond with sample is an implied condition. Correct. Buyer shall have reasonable opportunity of comparing bulk with sample is an implied condition. Correct. Goods should be free from any defect rendering them unmerchantable is an implied condition. Correct. D or 4, there is an implied condition that the buyer shall have and enjoy possession of the goods. No, hence our answer is C. 1, 2 and 3 only is correct. 73. Choose correct statement. Right against the good can be exercised only by the paid seller. Right against the good can be exercised only by an unpaid seller. Right. करेक्ट चूज़ करना था हमको. इसमें हमको एक करेक्ट तो लग रहा है, देखते हैं फ्रेंड्स. राइट अगेंस्ट द गुड कैन बी एक्सरसाइज ओनली बाय पेड बायर. राइट अगेंस्ट द गुड कैन बी एक्सरसाइज ओनली बाय अनपेड बायर. तो अनपेड सेलर होता है फ्रेंड. राइट अगेंस्ट द गुड कैन बी एक्सरसाइज ओनली बाय अनपेड सेलर. हेंस आवर आंसर इज बी. मैच द पियर्स. केस लॉज है फ्रेंड पहला प्रभु दयाल का, एंड आवर आंसर इज फॉर्जरी इन ऑफ सिग्नेचर का केस था फ्रेंड, ये फॉर्जरी ऑफ सिग्नेचर का केस था। नेक्स्ट क्या है, डिस्चार्ज फ्रॉम लायबिलिटी बाय कैंसिलेशन, इसका क्या है फ्रेंड, ये हमको नहीं आ रहा है, सपोज इसको हम लीव करते हैं, इस तरह से हम कुछ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने का क्वेश्चन ट्राई करते हैं। पेमेंट इन ड्यू कोर्स, सी पेमेंट इन ड्यू कोर्स सेक्शन 1082, विच वन इज करेक्ट, द करेक्ट आंसर इज सेक्शन 10। सो हमको हमारा आंसर मिल गया फ्रेंड। प्रोटेस्ट का क्या है सेक्शन फ्रेंड, तो प्रोटेस्ट का तो 100 है, रिमेनिंग क्या रह गया 82। सो और करेक्ट आंसर इज बी। लास्ट क्वेश्चन रह गया फ्रेंड हमारे सेशन का आज का, जो है 75, फाइंड करेक्ट लीगल प्रिंसिपल फ्रॉम फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट, विच इज द करेक्ट प्रिंसिपल। सो वाइल फर्स्ट वन इज वाइल कलेक्टिंग अ चेक for a banker, the customer is under an obligation to present it promptly so as to avoid any loss due to change of circumstances. Wrong. Next one is while collecting a check for a customer, the banker is under an obligation to present it properly so as to avoid any loss due to change of circumstances. Correct. While collecting a check for a customer, the banker is under no obligation to present it properly so as to avoid any loss due to changes of circumstances. Wrong. While collecting a check for a banker, the customer is under no obligation to present it properly so as to avoid any loss due to change of circumstances. So तीनों को तो उतना प्रॉपर नहीं लग रहा है हमको, सो बी इज़ अ करेक्ट आंसर फ्रेंड्स, बी इज़ अ करेक्ट आंसर। आज का सेशन यहीं ख़त्म होता है फ्रेंड। हमारी MCQ जो थी हमने फर्स्ट लेक्चर में 50 कवर किए थे, हमारे नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हमने आज 75 MCQ कवर किए फ्रेंड। इसी तरह से हर रोज़ हम जितने MCQ सॉल्व कर पाए करने की कोशिश करते हैं, ताकि हमारा रिवीजन फास्ट हो जाए और हमारे एग्ज़ाम में हमारी हेल्प हो जाए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग फ्रेंड्स, डू शेयर कमेंट इफ़ लाइक, बाय बाय, सी यू सून।